It's easy to see if your vehicle is looking clean and new on the outside, but if it isn't driving like new, it may be losing fuel efficiency, power, or responsiveness. It could be time for the BG Engine Performance Service, a 3-part deep cleaning of the vital systems in your engine. First, BG EPR Engine Performance Restoration dissolves even the most stubborn deposits inside the engine. Then, BG Advanced Formula MOA prevents future sludge buildup, maintaining peak engine protection between oil changes. And finally, the cleaners in BG 44K Platinum in the fuel tank dissolves gummy deposits, restoring performance and gas mileage. That's why this service is backed by the free lifetime BG Protection Plan. Ask about the BG Engine Performance Service today.